So B.Sc Human Kinetics Education 100 level first semester is a 4-year program, which is 8 semester program too. And these are the courses for the first semester. The credit units are flat of 2 credit units, and the course registration fee is 2,000, which is the fee for course materials. The exam fee is also a flat fee of 1,000. Course material plus exam fee is what gave these totals here. And they are all required that you pass them. That's why you're seeing 22 of 22 here. You register all of them, you pass them, you carry them, you earn them. Okay, so the total fees for the registrations of both exam and course material is 33,000 plus the first compulsory fee that you have to pay, 36,000 for every undergraduate. From second semester onwards, it will be 18,000, no longer 36,000. This compulsory fee, it will reduce to 18,000. So, but the first one is 36,000. So these are the courses you're expected to register and pass all of them. Okay. So second semester 100 level, these are your courses. You register these courses. However, one of these courses may not be needed, so that's why you have 16 of 28. So if you end up to 16 credit units here, you are safe. You may not need to rewrite one course that you carry over, especially if it's elective. Okay, and here are your fees. As I stated earlier, the compulsory fee has reduced to 18,000, and this is the cost of the registrations for exam and course materials, which comes down to a total of 45,000 for your second semester fee. Then 200 level first semester, these are your courses. You are expected to register all and pass them, and if you came into direct entry, you will pick GST 107 from 100 level and add it to your program, to your courses, making yours 22 instead of 20. And your total fee is 48,000. It's just calculated the same way. Total fee is 48,000. Then 200 level second semester, these are your courses for the semester, and your fee is calculated the same way. However, about 2 courses here are not needed, are not that compulsory. So there are probably about 3 electives here. So if you register 2, fine. If you pass 1, that's all. You ignore the other one and move on. If you pass all of them, fine, better, much better. So if you want to register all, these are your fee. If you want to register only the ones that you must pass, then you have to remove about 6,000 from this fee. That's around 42,000. Then 300 level first semester, these are your courses, including a teaching practice. Teaching practice is 10,000. Even though the unit is 3 units, it's 10,000. You don't register it for exams. So you have 17 of 19 credit units required here, which means maybe one of the courses here, if failed, you may not need to retake it. Then your total fee is 52,000. Then 300 level second semester, these are your courses, including a business plan, which you will be required to write, and you're expected to pass these courses, all of them, and post-teaching practice evaluation, which does not require exams, so you will not be paying the 1,000 for the exams. So at the end, you have 47,000 as your fee. 300 level second semester, 400 level first semester. You would have these courses to register, and you're expected to pass all of them, including a second teaching practice, the same 10,000. The credit unit has been 2 all this while, right? So 400 level second semester, which is the last semester, you're expected to no more teaching practice, but you will have a research project to write. 4 credit units. The fee for project is generally 15,000, and you're expected to pass all of them. If you had any carryover, you can see you have 16 of 60. So since you're allowed to register up to 24 units, there's a lot of spaces here, unused credit units for you to add whichever carryover you might have had in the past. So and the total fee is 51,000. Then total credits carried are the number of courses you've registered, credits units you've registered for each course. If you sum all of them up, assuming you registered all of them as in this video, you will have 172. But out of the 172, you are expected to earn or pass 160 to become a graduate if you started as a regular student from 100 level. Then as a direct entry student, 120 will do the magic for you. 120 credit unit, you are a graduate of B.Sc Human Kinetics. So that's it.